Hello friends, welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to discuss the trades that I took today. Uh, as compared to yesterday, my profits were almost to zero because of the few profits that I took yesterday. Today, because the market went into my favor, my profits kind of raised to approximately 18,000, of which I have booked 7,000 approximately, and 10,000 more to go as of now. So let's look at the positions that I have, and let's see what we can learn from them. I have an open position in Nifty. It's a bear call spread. I've sold 24,800 call and bought 25,000 call option. Because the market went down by approximately 1%, this gave me a profit of approximately 1100 today, which now this position was giving me approximately a loss of I think 5 to 6,000 yesterday. But because the markets went into my favor, so the net overall change was like a positive 6,000 or something. Similarly with the bank Nifty, I sold the 57,000 call option. Right, the market moved into my direction. It fell around approximately 1%, so it again gave me a notional profit of 2,000 as of now. This was also in a loss of 4 to 5,000 yesterday, so like a good movement from there. I recovered my losses, and I'm now in a small profit. Dabur is a tough position that I am in. It kind of fell almost 2% today, which was not in my favor. I was expecting it to kind of move in an upward direction. This is primarily because the FMCG sector was going up. I felt that Dabur will also go up, so I took a position of selling 505 put option as well a few days back. I already had this position of 540 call option. I sold it like around maybe a 1 week or before that, but I also took a position of 505 put option, which is now giving me massive loss of 17,000 as of now. Just to be on the safer side, I bought two lots of 495 put option just to hedge two of my positions. I have sold four lots of put option at 505, but just to be on a little safer side, just in case the market goes downwards more, I will have to reassess these positions of mine. But these two lots I've bought only to hedge two of my four lots in this put option. All right, in Davis Lab again, no action taken today. The movement was well in our favor. It moved 3.5% down. This was also giving me a loss of around 3-4,000 yesterday, but thankfully it moved into my favor, and now I'm in a slightly positive position. If you see, I'm very comfortably ahead, almost 3 standard deviations far away from the current market price, so I can hold on to this position till expiry and probably take all of the profit that I have here. Alright, in DLF, I took a position today. I had sold 840 call option, and it was giving me a profit of 7,400, so I took that position and sold another position at 820 PE. The reason behind this is that because the market is going quite in a downward, in a downtrend, right? So I was not able to make a lot of profits from my 840 call option, so I kind of booked the profits on this one and maybe took a more riskier but a little closer, which can give me a little more profits here. So now if you can see, my maximum profit is going up to 16,000 if I can hold on to this position till expiry, right? This is just to maximize a bit of profits here. In Godrej property, I did not take any action today. I'm still open that the stock would go down. It fell 3.5% today. I've already sold a position of 2,300. So even if we analyze it, I am well under control. Like it's more than 3 standard deviations away, which is a lot that I can hold off. So I don't need any risk cover here. At least the probability of winning in this position is pretty much high. While we are on that topic, let's just see how much is the probability of percentage in this position. If I open it in the strategy builder, I can see the probability of winning is 95%. Right now, when we have such a good probability of winning, we don't need a risk cover at this stage, because then it would reduce all our profits, right? So we can be like we can sell a naked call in this position comfortably. For HCL Tech as well, the situation was in our favor because the market did not move at all, but still the premiums would have fallen. And now, because it's a Friday today, the market will be closed for 2 more days. We would get a good theta decay by Monday. So far in this position as well, I think we are already covered at 2 standard deviations. I'm not taking any risk cover on this stock as well, because my view is that the stock would go in like move downwards from here. Okay, in the SW Steel, I do not have any action that I took today. The market fell 1.5%, because of which my call option that I've sold is now giving me profit, but the call the put option that I've sold at 990 is giving me a slight loss, which is okay. We are still under a safety zone. If you see, we have quite a good range that we can stay inside. We might assess if the position might move even further down. Then we can see that how do we want to hedge our positions, or maybe adjust our open positions. All right. Okay, that was all the updates on my positions. As you can see, that overall it is giving me an 18,000 profit, of which I have booked 7,400. So from Monday we might start with 10,000, and let's see how it goes. So far in the last week, if I compare, we were able to make some good profits. Let's see, last 7 days. Yep, so in the last 7 days we made around 35,000. All greens, we're trying to book some profits as and when we go. All right, which is a good thing to go ahead with, and let's see how it goes for the rest of the month. I hope you were able to learn from my open positions as I explained, and good luck to you as well. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye.